We'll guide you through how to create courses on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to gumroad.com and sign into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. Once you're logged in, look for the Products tab on your dashboard and click on it. Then, hit the New Product button. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose the type of product. Select Course, which is specifically designed for educational content. Enter a name for your course and decide on a price. You can set it as a fixed price, pay what you want, or even free if you're starting out and want to gain traction. Click Create Product to move forward. Now you're in the course editor. Here, you can upload your course materials, like videos, PDFs, and other resources. Drag and drop files into the designated area or use the Upload button. For each file, you can add a description to give your students some context about what they're learning. Arrange your materials in the order you want them to be presented. Gumroad allows you to create sections or chapters to organize your content better. Next, customize your course's landing page. Add a compelling cover image and a detailed description that explains what your students will gain from your course. Use this space to highlight key features and benefits. Don't forget to use keywords that would help in SEO. Once you've set everything up, you can preview your course to see how it will appear to buyers. Make any final adjustments if needed. When you're satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your course live. Now, you can share the link to your course with your audience. Use social media, email lists, or any platform where your potential students hang out. Remember, engaging descriptions and visuals can significantly impact your sales. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.